Hi everybody, my name's Kaylee. I'm from Poplar Studios and I'm the maintenance foreman. I wanted to do a quick tutorial on what to do if you're going to pot a mandevilla or any sort of climbing vine. This one particularly is a mandevilla. Normally they come in a gallon-sized pot, something like this, and it's really good, like with any plant that you get from a nursery, is when you take it out you want to make sure that it's not root bound and make sure that the soil is nice and moist. And I also moistened the soil that I had existing in this pot before I even put the mandevilla in. And the cool thing about climbing vines is if you get them from a nursery, if you can see in here, they typically come staked in some sort of tripod situation. This is bamboo. You can use sticks from your yard, you can use chopsticks, anything that will do a 3-peg support just to help give it some support as it grows and it wants to climb upward. So this guy, we're going to keep the bamboo in there just because it's nice and twound around. The vines themselves can be kind of weak, and if you pull on them a lot, they can break. We don't want that because it'll ruin some blooms and things like that. So I kept the bamboo stake on the interior of this, and then I topped it with this nice sturdy metal trellis to go on top, and it's more decorative. It has a cute little bird on top. So that's why we did that. It gives it extra support, and I help it along instead of just like leaving it set in the middle. I like to take some of the rogue vines, the rogue pieces, and I'll start to wrap it on it so it just already is ready to go. It's less shock to the plant once it gets watered in and it's put in there, and it'll just take a week to get settled in, and then it'll start doing some growth. So yeah, this is a mandevilla. This one particularly, if you can tell, is going to have this really beautiful white and pink petal. So this is going to be really, really fun. But yeah, so we had fun doing this. Enjoy these, use these, it's the time for it.